Today I'm gonna make bagel bites. This is what they look like frozen. It's a bagel. In the meantime, I have my tomato sauce running. But first, let's try my first bagel bite. It tastes of nothing. While the oven is hot, put that in the oven. It smells great. I have my 3.5 cups of bread flour here mixed with my salt. I don't have active dry yeast with me right now. What I do have is a little bit leftover of cake yeast and a sourdough starter. I also couldn't find a barley malt syrup, so I'm gonna use standard molasses mixed with my room temperature water, and hopefully we'll have a decent bagel. Kneading time. Kneading the bagels, kneading the bagels. It's kind of like a workout. Just bring it back. Little mini bagel. I'm gonna film them and put them in the fridge.
Good boy.
And they float! And now we wait for like 11-15 minutes, something like this. So they have the nice little boublage. I let them cool down at room temperature fully before I slice them. Then we'll have ourselves a little pizza party. Our topping options in the pizza bar: dried chili flakes, oregano, some sausage, pepperoni, ground sausage, olive, mozzarella, fontina, parmesan. Some fresh basil to top. This is what they look like. We got the overachiever, classic, the Italian, the one comparing to those guys, the 3 cheese, the spicy boy, the cheese and olive, and this one is the one I want. They are ready. This is what the sad one looks like, and this is my approximation with the cube one. Look how much better they look. They look so good. This is the original. I'm gonna come closer. Original, gourmetified. That's a crunchy bite.
Yeah, that's good. It's like I could see myself having that anytime.
In the morning? In the evening?
Even at supper time. Alright, and then for comparison again, here's the normal. Just look. What is even this? What is going on with this?
Bon appetit!